let me flip it. Then I'll go to my section. Oh, it's the other one, this section. Okay. Yeah, from the top to the top. So I'll select on that one, click on rebar. Okay, now I can select, I can change to sketch first of all. When you pick the two, then you click the element. Okay, this is what I want. It's from top to top. So what I can do is to simply use now the line. We are still using the same 16. So I'll pick it from that point. Or maybe let me start from here, from this point, because I'm going to use this cover. Then I'll go all the way, making sure that from here, I'll click there. Then just drag it. Once you end the bar like that, don't click there. Make sure that you drag it. Okay, up to somewhere there. Then I can use the line. And I want to pick it from there. And anyway, let me just end it up to there. And I can also, if I want, maybe it's up to you. You can do that. Just want to have also that one, if something that we need. Okay, again, how far, of course, you have to calculate how far you go down, but this is just a demonstration.
No problem.
Maybe let's just drag it up to somewhere.
Yeah, we can go by LB, whatever the length of the, waste slab, third part, we can take it inside, no problem.
Correct. So,
no issue.
Okay. So I'll leave it there. So this is the bar that we have. Now let's finish it. We see what we have. So if I select on that, let me maintain the same, maybe the same 200 maximum spacing. Let me say 200, click outside. Now let's see what we have in 3D view. We see what we need to change, if any. I'll go to the 3D view. Okay, we have, I think that is the bar that we have created on top. Let me, now I have to bring back the visibility graphics. So I'll go to view, then user. I want to bring back the properties. Then I can go to visibility graphics. I think let me activate this one. Okay, we have it there. So let's check it. What do we have? So on top, we have now the bar that we needed. We are remaining with the bottom also.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me go back to the section. Or is this one? So at the bottom, if you notice from here, at the bottom, we already have this bar at the bottom, but we need another one to join there. So we'll place another bar there at the bottom, which would go down there. Just want to counter check. Okay, so let's create the bar. We'll select on this section, rebar. Then we are going to pick a sketch. Then we are going to pick this one. Okay, then we use the line from here. Okay, I'll place it somewhere here, maybe from this point. It's supposed to go down from what I can see there, but you can still correct it if it's not okay.
No, but why we need this bar? No, why we need this bar?
Let me cancel from here.
Yeah, check in the AutoCAD.
From the 3D.
Yeah, I understand. Check in the AutoCAD. Check in the AutoCAD how he has.
Oh, okay.
There is one bar which is coming from the down and going up, right?
Yes, this is the one that we have created. Now we also have at the bottom here. We have this bar. Oh, actually, it's not going down. It's just a bar at the bottom.
No. This bar is for the other for the step. The step is coming other waste slab. This is for the other waste slab. You can go any other staircase, any other stair. There are many staircases. Go to the other one.
Okay, the other one. This is almost the same. From down up, yes, it's the same.
There is no steps.
We have this one. Okay, this one.
This one. Okay.
This one, yes. So we have this one we have created. This one we have created.
No, but not this one. The other one you have created. Other one. One bar coming from down and going straight up in the slab. and then you have
This-
generated this one. This bar coming on up, the bar now you are going to generate, this is going up. This bar.
Oh, I see. This one,
Yeah, yeah. Other one.
this one,
This one, it will go up. Dr. Saab.
it goes up. This one we have already created also.
We
This
have
one
created-
is already, yes, this one we have created at the bottom.
Okay.
The one that we want is this one here.
Mhm.
The one which is going to cater for this from there, from this
So we
point
need
up
to
to
provide a
point.
bar for the waste slab. For
Yes.
the upper waste slab on the top as well, because until this time the bars are placed on the bottom only. If I'm not wrong.
We don't have the bar at the bottom for this one here.
We
At the
need to
bottom
provide.
here.
Yeah, we need to provide. You're right.
Yeah, we don't have this bar. So now my question, what I'm trying to figure out is this bar at the bottom. Is it just a bar from here up to there, or is supposed to go inside this?
No, you need to have a look on the AutoCAD. Just go to the AutoCAD. You can have see there
Yes.
what is ongoing.
So what we have here at the bottom, this bar,
Yeah.
we already have this one which goes up,
So there are two
but
bars.
we have this other bar, this one.
Yes.
So this bar, I think it also goes at the bottom, because at the top we have two.
Yes.
Okay, I
You
see
are
it now. Yeah. So we have two bars at the top going
Yeah.
down like that. So we need another one, but going at the top again.
Yeah,
Okay,
no doubt.
correct. Yeah, so this one will also go on top.
Yeah.
So I'll select it. I'll click on rebar, then I'll click on sketch.
One small question. The bars which you have applied in the waste slab, are they parallel to each other?
This one.
One another one. Are they both parallel to each other?
Yeah, I need to make an adjustment. They don't seem to be
Okay.
parallel. I'll edit it.
Okay.
Yes, so let's have this bar now. I think we've seen it's supposed to go up, then again like that on top.
Yeah.
So I'll just add it from somewhere there, and it's supposed to go all the way on top like that.
Correct.
There, then it will also follow the other one, just like that. We'll end it here. Yeah. Okay, now if I check, does it have a hook? No, it doesn't. It doesn't have. Actually, it's not even going all the way. It's just from somewhere here up to somewhere there. Okay.
Just show.
Yeah, so maybe up to somewhere there. Then this one. Okay, if that is the bar, I'll just finish it. Okay, let's see what we have. I'll cancel. I'll select on this one. Let me change to maximum spacing, maybe 100 here or 200 maybe. Click. Let's see what we have. Or let me correct this one. This one doesn't seem to be straight, to be parallel. So I'll edit sketch, and let me do this. It's supposed to be like think like this. I want this one to be parallel to. Okay, let me try to finish it. It's not parallel. Let me do this. Edit sketch. Okay, then TR for trim, this line and that line. Okay, it looks okay. We can still go on and edit. I think it's a bit parallel. It's fine. We can still edit it. Then this one I can drag it maybe up to somewhere there. It's okay. I can move it and leave it there. Okay. Now let's see this bar that we have created in 3D. Let me select on it. Let me go to 3D. That is the bar. Then I'll go to visibility and just activate it there. Okay, so what do we have here now? Oh, but still, I think this one has to go all the way because we still have these bars. What do you think? Because from there we have these bars. Now this one, if we end it here, it means that these bars will just remain like that without the top bars at the bottom.
Actually, there will be some types of beams or something whose reinforcement will appear here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you want, you can continue them up to the end. Otherwise, the bars which are coming from the up, they will come down and continue up to the end of the beam.
Up to the end. Okay, maybe for this one, for demonstration, we're just going to, oh, sorry, let me just undo.
Yeah.
When extending bars, go to the edit, because if you start to extend like this, it will not be, it will move like that. So make sure that you go to the edit, select on that, then click on edit sketch. Then from here, it will be easy for you because it will snap like that. Okay, yeah. Then finish. All right. Okay, so now we have something like this. Okay, so at the bottom we have, okay, that is okay. Even so, we are done with the bottom, except that, anyway, it doesn't matter, except that for this other one, this bar is supposed to be at the bottom. We can change that, but I think it doesn't matter. It's okay, but we can do that. We have this one. Go and play. Go and play. I'm working. Go and play. I'll bring for you. Okay. Go and play with your friends. I'll call you. I'll call you. Sorry, it's my daughter.
No problem.
Okay, get the phone.
We should ask. We should take some questions if you don't mind.
Okay, no problem. If there's a question, give your mother to switch it on.
Anybody
is there a question?
Question. Okay. Okay, continue, brother.
Okay. Okay, so now let's go on the other side. On the other side, I think we are done with the, but let me fix this one. I'm not comfortable because if you check here, we have this bar is supposed to be at the bottom. We have this one, but this one is at the top. So let's switch.
It must continue to that.
So what I'm going to do, this bar, I want this one to be at the bottom of this one. Okay, so what I can do is I can pick this one and now go to the constraints. I'll click on the constraints there, and I want to move from here. You can see that it's at 0. So if I say -16, I'm sure negative is supposed to go up. Oh, it's going the other direction. Why 16? Let me put maybe +16. Okay, so let me just use the move. This one doesn't seem to work. I can still select on this, the one in section. Okay, then just move it up. I'll use the move to like that. Then I'll pick that one and let me place it there. Okay, once I do that, let me go back to this one and I can simply do that. I think I'm happy like this. Then click on move. And I can even use the edit constraints now to just validate it, to lock it. So I'll go now to edit constraint, click there, and it's at 0. So once I just click on finish, it's now locked there. Let's see it now in 3D. It should look better now. Is it at the bottom? Okay, this is what I wanted. So if I want to add the hooks even on this one, now I can add so that it matches with the other one. Okay, excellent. So let's proceed with the top now. I'm sure we are done this side. This side we are done. Okay, so now with this one, this other side, let me cut a section across there since we are dealing with the other one. So I'll just select, drag it here and flip it. Where is the flip to? It's right here. Click like that. Okay, then I'll open it. Yeah, this is the one that we have. Okay, let me just extend this one. Okay, so for this one, we have a bar again. If I just check from the AutoCAD there, where is the top part? I think this one.
Yeah.
We have this. We have this one at the top. Actually, we have one at the bottom going to the top, another one at the top going to the top still. So I'll go back there. Okay, so we have two bars here. We are going to fix this one as I already mentioned. So I'll select on this one, or maybe the stair, then click edit stair there. Then I'll pick, just a moment, stair, rebar, then click sketch, then pick the stair there. Okay, so what we have here is from the top up to the top, from the bottom up to the top. So I can start with this one. We are not cutting the slab there That's why we can't see the, the cover, but you can still edit it later. So what I'm going to do, I'll just start it from there. Then it's supposed to go to the top, then it goes down. We can change it later in terms of the cover. So I'll just start it from, actually, I can even start it from here so that it matches with this one. I'll go inside like that. Then I can pick it from there and let me end it up to somewhere there, but I have to make sure that it's straight. So I'll pick this one. Let me put it there. Then the trim command is TR on your keyboard, or you can go to trim command, then click this one and that one. I think now this one looks better. All right. So this is the first bar that we have added. I'll finish it. Right click, select on it, and I want to have maximum spacing. I want to have 200 there. Okay, so this is the first bar. Let me add another one on top. Also going, on top of this one here. So I'll select again on there, the slab, then go to rebar, then I'll pick the sketch, then select on the stair, and I want to have another bar. Maybe I can even start it from there. Okay, maybe this one will end somewhere here. Then I also need a bar. Is it the top or the bottom? Sorry, this one we have, the other one is at the top, the other one is at the bottom. Okay, so we are done with the one at the bottom. We need the other one at the top. Okay, all right, so. Are you there? Hello?
Yeah, I am here.
Oh, okay. Okay, so the other one at the top, we'll start it from there, and I'm just going to trim this one. TR on your keyboard, pick this one and that one. So we have one bar going there and another bar going there. Okay, so I'll finish it. Okay, so this is the bar. Now, you can even move these bars like that. If maybe you want to give it some space like that, as you can see. So there, even this one, you can just do that. If you want to extend it the other side, you can go to edit, select there and simply drag it. It's up to you. Then click on finish. So we have that bar on top. Maybe let me just extend it up a bit like that. Okay, so we have those bars. Make sure that you have changed this to maximum spacing, and this one is 200. This one is already 200, I think. Okay, so now let's check it in 3D. We see what we have. Okay, is it something? Is it the way it's supposed to be? So we have it like that. Let me go to visibility states, the 3D view. Okay, so I think the top part we are done. Okay, so for the top part, I think this is how we want it to be, as you can see. Now let's deal with the bottom one, this one here. Then we should be done with this there. Let's deal with this other part. I'll go to section. We are right here. Again, it's still we have some bars at the bottom and some bars at the top. Okay, so let me quickly counter check here. From here, okay, we have this bar from top to top. Actually, yeah, this one doesn't go at the bottom. It's different here because at the landing, we have bottom to bottom and top to top, these two bars. So bottom to bottom and top to top, we are here. So we just need a bar here going on top there. So we'll select this one, click on edit there. Then I'll select on sketch and pick this one. So it's from top to top, I think from what I can see there. Then I'll pick the line and let me start it maybe from somewhere here. Okay, I'll leave it there and okay, let me pick it from there so that it's parallel. Maybe if I want to end it there, I'll do like that. Then just trim these two. TR on my keyboard, pick this one and that one. I think this is the top bar. Let me just cancel like that. Then finish. Okay. And I'll select that bar. And let me make sure that I have maximum spacing, and I'll change this one to 200. Click inside. I can add the hook if I want, but let's see what we have. I'll select that bar, go to the 3D view, and let's change this one again to, okay, to that one there. Okay. Okay, I hope we have it completed now. Yeah. So I think all the parts for this there are done. If I just zoom in like this, you see that at the top we have a mat there. Even at the bottom we have the mat. You can add the hooks where you need to add, and the development length you can still edit. Okay, yeah. Again, here I want uniformity. You can see here the bars. This bar here is at the top. So I also want to change this bar to be at the top for uniformity. This one here. Let me also bring it on top so that it matches with this other one, just like the way we did with the one at the bottom here. So I'll go to the section. This is the bar. Now I want it to be at the top. I think we have this one in section, so I can select that one. Let me use the constraint, but the constraint for some reason is adjusting it sideways. I don't know. So let me just use a move. I'll pick this one and bring it here. Okay, then let me lock it by using the constraints. Click there. And now we are under the constraints. 0 is okay because I want it to be right there. Then finish by I'll lock it there. Then if I want, I can even leave it like this. Let's check it within our 3D view. Okay, this is what I want. Yeah, top, we have these bars at the top. If you want to add a hook here, you can still proceed. I'll select on it. Oh, somewhere here. Let me click on edit so that we have something uniform. Okay. I'll just pick the line there. Let me try 100. It's entirely up to you. Okay, let me finish. Then go to the 3D view. These are normal things now. I'm a bit fast because I know we are done with the scale. We're just trying to make sure that everything looks, uniform and perfect. Even this one, if you want also to add the hook so that it looks uniform, even when you detail, you can do that. And, you are able to get like this. I'm sure this is how the stair is. Have we missed anything? The reinforcement.
I think mostly things are done now. Only what we need to do is like place it on the sheet and just give dimensions. That's it.
Okay. It gave me a warning. How many minutes are we remaining with? I think it's less than 5 minutes remaining.
So we can restart the last part of the meeting so that you don't have time too much as well today. So
yeah.
Do you have a little bit time? We can conclude now.
Yeah, we can do another session. Is everyone okay? We can have a last session.
I think anybody having any question, please? Hello.
Oh, are you okay? Is everyone okay?
Okay. Yes, it is okay. Because now we have practiced it and now we fully understand what you do.
Okay.
So, sir, should we continue another session or we can conclude here?
It's up to you. It's up to you. Maybe I think you may conclude the session right now, and let's start on Friday. Your next session will be on Friday or when?
Yes, sir, Friday.
Yes.
On Friday. So then we can continue at that time. So meanwhile, we can practice this whole thing because it needs time.
Yeah.
Practice the things. I have spent within last 2 days. I have spent almost 10 to 12 hours on the computer.
Yeah. I think we can end here. I agree with him. But if you are just starting, for me, as I advise you, you are just going to have one project with everything as standards. Now, next time, you just be copying. As I said, maybe later on, you look at the lesson, how you can group this. And stairs in Revit are always like this, but you just need to create one stair, a similar one. Next time you just be copying because now you're not be creating everything. So you need time to practice, as you've said. Maybe we can continue next time.
Okay, thank you, Douglas.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for everybody. And we are concluding today's session. And thanks to Professor Dr. Zahid Ahmed Siddiqui, Professor Dr. Burhan Shri, and all the participants and Engineer Douglas. So thanks a lot, everybody. Please take
Okay,
care.
thank you, Martha. Thank
Yeah,
you.
I will upload the videos on the YouTube and share the link. Thank you very much.
Okay,
Take care. Bye bye.
sure.
Thank you.
Allah
Bye-bye.